Yo, Vanilla, kick it for me one time, boy.
Oh, yeah.
Yo, VIP.
What's up, Matty B? Let's kick it.
Alright, stop, collaborate and listen. I said that with my brand new invention. Something grabs a hold of me tightly, flows like a harpoon daily and nightly. Will it ever stop? Yo, I don't know. Turn off the lights and on the flow. To the extreme, I rock a mic like a vandal. Light up the stage, a wax and jump like a candle. Dance! Grimace the speakers that boom. I'm killing this flow like a poisonous mushroom. Deadly! When I play it on melody, anything less than the best is a felony. Love it or leave it, you better gain weight. You better hit pause that the kids don't play. If there was a problem, you're a soul. Check out the hook when my DJ revolves. Vanilla.
On the scene, just in case you didn't know it. My town that created all the bass sound, enough to shake and kick holes in the ground. Cause my style's like a chemical spill. These are rhymes you can vision and feel. Conducted and formed, there's a heck of a concept. We make it hype, and you wanna step with this. Shape plays on the fade, slices like a ninja, cut like a razor blade so fast. Other DJs say bam, my rhyme makes you jump and the beat makes you dance. Keep my composure when it's time to get loose. Magnetized by the mic when I kick my juice. If there was a problem, yo, I'll solve it.
Check out the hook when my DJ involves it.
Oh yeah, Vanilla Ice and Matty B together like VIP. Yo, let's get out of here. Word to your mother.
Kunci, mengencang. Yuk, nyalain.
merebet.
Mantep dah.